So I will introduce something starting from the tuning settings. Tuning settings will show the tuning informations in the arrows to show user need to screen in or scroll out. Okay, and here this is the trace informations. User can somehow control the vector network analyzers. For example, you can add the trace, right? And we can have the separate diagrams. For example, the diagram 2. Okay, we can define the S parameters, S11, and also add another one in these diagrams called S21s. So right now we have the magnitude in dB, and also we can show the phase. See, this is the phase for S11. Of course, the user can show the VSWRs, and also we can change the scale to 0.1 to get more details. Okay. Because the VSWR is now is too bad, so set up 2 and maybe 4. Yeah, as you can see, user can easily set up these scales numbers here. Okay, so fully control the VNAs. Okay, and here the markers. For this marker, user can easily click the point on this screen. As you can see here, all the information will be passed to the VNAs and sync up together. So it's very convenient to use. If you want to edit the specific frequency, just click it and click markers, and then you can add the markers. Okay, so and here just delete everything to give the very clean screens. Okay, and once they finish the test tuning part, they can export the report. So I will show this function later. And also they can smooth the curves. Okay, yeah, they can smooth the curves, and also we have smooth factors 3, 5, and 7. The higher values we smooth out more the noise. Okay, this is function used for very special case with the very lower noise levels.